How long is the Certified Scrum Professional course? All told, about 16 hours. Okay. I deliver it in 2 different formats. Over the 2 days, as you may well have done your CSM and maybe your ACSM, turn up at 9 in the morning, finish at 5:30 in the afternoon, have a lunch in the middle and breaks throughout. Alternatively, I do it over 4 days. And what I've found is that particularly for the advanced courses, this lands better because it gives you time to go away and digest. Imagine instead of being 9 till 5:30, you're working with me from 9 till 1 o'clock. And then, hopefully you grab a bit of lunch, you go back to work. What I want is for you to go back to work and start thinking about the topics we've covered, the conversations we've had as a group. How do they apply to your practice, to what you're doing today? Very often what I see is people attend a session, go back to work and see an opportunity to make use of what we've covered there and then in the morning or afternoon courses. So how do we structure it? You have 2 days or 4 days. The content will stay the same. We'll focus on 5 key areas. There will be the theory. So looking at lean theory, where does it come from? How do we make use of the thinking as well as the tools? There'll be coaching and facilitation. How do we manage remote working? How do we set up coaching contracts to really help us and support our coachees? Service to the team. How do we set up teams? How do we take a group of people who may never have met each other and set them up to be a successful team going forwards? Service to the product owner will be something like user story mapping, and always great conversations about the realities you see today of working with product owners. And finally, beyond the team, looking at organisational change for the main part. What are the tools we use? What are the models we use to understand organisational change? All of that will be wrapped up inside 16 hours, either as a 2-day course or spread over 4 days, mornings or afternoons. If you've got to this point in the video, I hope you've enjoyed it. If so, a like would be appreciated. If you want to hear more from me, more answers to questions that maybe you've got in the Agile world, please subscribe to the channel. And if you've got a question that you really want answered, drop it in the comments. I promise we'll get around to it. Thank you.